We're here to interview Miss Wamber Third. Miss Third, what is your... What are you doing with that knife?
This knife. Well, I plan to give it as a wedding anniversary to my beloved husband, Mr. Johnny DAWG. It says, till death do we part.
Oh, okay. Anyway, Miss Third, is it true that you merely wanted Johnny DAWG's money, the settlement money?
What settlement money? I didn't get a single money. I donated the money. I donated it to the Children's Hospital and the ACLU. I have them divide the 7 million. I did not touch a single cent of that money. I don't want that money.
Are you sure? Because basing on recent reports, they did not receive a single cent.
But I did. I did contribute everything. I did contribute everything. I did. I never left. I never touched a single dime of that money.
They did not receive a single cent of that money.
Well, I donated.
You did not donate it.
I did donate it. I mean, I pledged the money.
Did you pledge the money or did you donate it?
I pledged the money.
Pledging and donating are two different things.
I donated the money.
But they said they did not receive a single...
I pledged the money.
Did you or did you not donate the money?
I pledged the money.
But they said they didn't...
I donated the money.
But they said they...
I donated the money.
Did you donate the money?
I pledged the money. I donated the money. 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 Stop hitting me. I pledged the money. I donated the money. I pledged the money. I donated the money. I pledged the money. I donated the money. I pledged and donated the money. She's my daughter. She's my sister. She's my daughter. She's my sister. She's my daughter and she's my sister.
There you have it.